everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for August 5th, 2022. AMC launches stock dividend, suffers heavy losses. AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. said Thursday it will pay a special dividend in preferred stock after posting a bigger-than-expected loss in the second quarter as expenses rose nearly 60%. Shares of the once popular meme stock fell 10% in extended trading as the move raised concerns about possible dilution of equity after the company said its preferred stock could be converted to common stock if investors approve. The company plans to list about 517 million preferred shares on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol APE. AMC's market value rose sharply last year in a retail investor-driven rally that helped the company raise billions of dollars in equity capital, even at the cost of investor fears of a decline in its stock price. During the peak of the coronavirus pandemic, AMC faced heavy losses as restrictions forced movie theaters to close again. The latest announcement coincided with a 160% increase in revenue in the second quarter as the easing of the pandemic returned audiences to theaters thanks to top-grossing films including Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness and Jurassic World Dominion. Energy crisis forces a return to nuclear power. The Philippine Bataan nuclear power plant, BNPP, has not produced electricity since it was completed in 1984 despite a $2.3 billion price tag. Endorsed by the former dictator, his son and new president Ferdinand Marcos Jr. renewed discussions about rebuilding the facility amid the current energy crisis, which has led to record increases in the prices of traditional fuels for power generation, coal and natural gas. The potential revival of the BNPP is one sign of renewed interest in nuclear power. Governments in Europe and Asia are expanding their fleets of aging nuclear power plants, restarting reactors and renewing plans to restart projects postponed after the 2011 nuclear crisis in Fukushima, Japan. U.S. President Joe Biden's administration and the International Energy Agency have said that nuclear power is crucial for countries to meet global carbon reduction and energy security goals as fossil fuel prices have soared after Russia cut natural gas supplies to Europe following the outbreak of war in Ukraine in February. As a result, nuclear power could be on the verge of a renaissance of the golden age that came after the oil crisis of the 1970s and led to a flurry of projects. Coinbase's shares soared to unprecedented levels. American crypto exchange Coinbase Global announced the conclusion of a partnership agreement with BlackRock to provide institutional clients access to services of cryptocurrency trading and storage. As a result, Coinbase shares rose 43.9% to $116.3 per share. Then the growth slowed to 24.4% and the price fell to $100.56 per share. The company's crypto asset trading platform, Coinbase Prime, will allow Aladdin BlackRock's investment management system clients to trade and store cryptocurrency as well as receive reporting. Aladdin BlackRock is a platform for institutional investors to manage their portfolios. Coinbase's shares may have risen sharply not only because of the partnership with BlackRock, but also because of the increased activity of private investors on the online platform Reddit. According to data provider Quiver Quantitative, the ticker coin under which the cryptocurrency exchange's shares are traded became one of the most mentioned names of Wall Street Bet's Reddit on Thursday, surpassing the popularity of GameStop on the online forum.